I'm going to ask my AI to do something a typical chat can't do. You see here, I didn't tell it who Riley is. I didn't explain the Q3 video series. I didn't tell it how to write in my voice. It already knew all of that because it read my files first. That's what I'm going to show you in this build. Every AI conversation starts from zero. They know nothing about you. You have to explain yourself every single time. And sometimes you're having to explain yourself multiple times. So let's go a little further into what this vault can do. This vault is based around a person or persona named Jordan Reeves. He's an Asheville video editor with 3 retainers and has some other side projects going on. So, as Jordan Reeves, what did I decide about the keycap colorway and why? So you can ask it why you made a decision if you don't remember. So it becomes an even better memory than your own. So currently we're working on the Foxglove colorway for your Q3 keycap drop. It breaks down the reasoning behind why you're doing the keycap colorway. It remembers your pricing. It remembers the dates that you put something in. It remembers why you made the decisions that you made. And then it makes a suggestion as well of what you could be doing to move it forward. Not generating a plausible answer, it's reading my actual reasoning. All right, the next up, tell me what I should know before talking to Aaliyah and Chen today. Again, this is a fresh, brand new chat, new session. There is no history at all in this thread at all. This is all pulling from the files that we have set up for it. While that's working and giving you the response here is, so whatever AI you're using can make you these markdown files. And markdown files are the easier file for AI to read through. So you're like, oh, I don't know how to make files. Or what do you mean, make a built-in fax or soul? What does this mean? These files are generated by the AI itself. So once they generate you these files, you can use them to create a perpetual memory. And the same thing here is it knows who Ayla is because there's a file about her that auto updates. All right, how it's built. Let me show you a little bit of this. So the Claude MD, this is basically the rule book for how your vault works. This rule book tells the AI what to load first. Let me show you the Soul MD. This is basically, the Soul MD is basically your working style. This is your voice. This is the things that you want the AI to remember about you, your motivations, your speaking patterns, how you like to speak to customers. All of those little things, that's what the Soul MD is for. And again, you don't have to make this on your own. If you have long chat histories, you can start building this with the built-in memory in ChatGPT or Claude or Grok. It will have a built-in memory of things about you, and that will be enough to get you started. Like if you were in, let's say you were in Claude right now, and you said, hey, create me a Soul MD, a Soul markdown file for a vault, a local vault that I wanted to create on my computer based on the information that you have on me. That would be an example of what you can do to get your Soul MD. You can do that for the Claude MD. And I bet some of you are like, oh, this sucks. I don't want to work in a terminal. I would prefer to work in a chat, even though the memory thing is a problem. Well, guess what? This is completely customizable. So really quickly, I'm going to show you, I'm going to get a customizable wrapper in here. No, not Eminem, but a wrapper that gets rid of working out of WSL. Nobody wants to do that. It's awful. You want a normal chat where it doesn't feel like you're sacrificing anything to use this. You want it to be perfect. You're going to see firsthand right now it build out the wrapper for this vault system so that you're not having to work out of this console. Honestly, it looks horrendous. You want something that looks a little more polished. That's what I use for my daily system. I haven't ran this prompt before, so we're going to see how it works. All right. So it should be live now on localhost 4000, so you can see your wrapper. Let me open that up. All right, now take a look at the new functioning wrapper. Let's make sure it's working as planned. It's as easy as that. You have a AI system that remembers you, remembers his projects, his indie game, his newsletter, the tutoring, has all the files. It has all the files and rules that it needs for persistent memory. I'll put all of these in the description below so you have something to work with so you're not starting from zero. Every week I'm going to be doing a tutorial build like this. Everything I just showed you, you can build yourself. These videos aren't walkthroughs. I'm not teaching you how to set up WSL or install Claude Code. I'm just showing you what's possible when the system is working and set up. Take what you see and replicate it from scratch. Or if you're looking to save time, you're not trying to spend hours trying to figure it out, I have a 128-page guide listed in the description below. Or if you don't want to walk through the guide, I also have the full functioning system that you can download as well. But I highly encourage everyone to try and build this themselves. Next video, I'll show you how to import multiple years of chat history if you use ChatGPT, Grok, or Claude to give your vault all the context that it needs. Subscribe to follow along.